Friends, you must have heard very recently that certain cough syrups prepared by Maiden Pharmaceuticals from Haryana has caused deaths in African nation by name Gambia. What they have prepared is they have prepared promethazine and another preparation cofexmalin, another preparation is Macof, and the last one is Magripine cold. These four cough syrup preparations have caused deaths to the tune of 30 to 60 children in Gambia. What exactly these cough syrups contain is chlorpheniramine maleate, phenylephrine, dextromethorphan, ammonium chloride, menthol, and promethazine. Per se, these chemical ingredients will not cause death of any child. But what has caused death? Diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol? Probably these two ingredients. Why these two ingredients can cause death? When these are used in excess, can cause death. These diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol is used as excipients. Excipient means for miscibility of various ingredients into the cough syrup. These two chemicals are used, diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol. These two must have used in excess and resulted in acute kidney injury, cerebral injury, and consequent deaths. So, per se, cough syrups have not caused deaths. This Maiden Pharmaceutical must be a generic company. So these days the government should be very careful and cautious about allowing the generic pharmaceuticals in preparing the drugs that are meant for children or adults. Otherwise, such mishaps will happen. So government should be very careful in seeing the pharmaceuticals to uh, follow the SOPs in preparing various preparations. And I request all the concerned parties not to use the cough syrups in excess. Cough syrup should be used very judiciously. Otherwise, it will cause lot of problems. Not only deaths, but lot of problems will be there. You know what is the best cough syrup in the world? It is the water. So, whenever mild cough is there, you better trust water than any other cough syrup. Thank you. Thank you very much.